You ever wake up and feel like your body's still stuck in yesterday? Tight, stiff, even your breath forgot how to move. Let's shake that off and reset your rhythm. Let's hit the mat. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Reach your left arm overhead and gently lean to the right. Return to center, switch sides. Don't just move, reach. Expand through your ribs like you're pulling breath into your sides. This move matters because it kickstarts circulation, opens your lungs, and resets your posture in under a minute. Beginners, keep your knees soft and bend gently. Advanced switches add a reach through the fingertips and deepen the lean. Tight obliques can limit your breathing capacity. Hold for 5 more seconds. That just expanded your breath. Now let's lengthen the back line. Step your feet wide, toes slightly turned out. Hinge at the hips. Slowly reach your right hand towards your left foot. And then return to center and alternate. This isn't about touching your toes. It's about meeting your body where it is and creating space where it isn't. I promise this will wake up your hamstrings, glutes, and the entire back chain. Beginners, rest your hands on your thighs. Advanced switches, keep legs straight and try to tap the floor with each rep. Feel that release yet? If not, check your breath. Inhale to lengthen, exhale to fold. Now hold center for 5. That just unlocked your lower back. Now let's fully release it. Bring your feet closer, about hip width. Let your arms hang toward the ground. Let your head go. Slight bend in the knees is fine. This is about release, not performance. This stretch isn't about flexibility. It's about letting go. Literally, letting gravity pull tension out of your spine. I promise, if you breathe here, you'll feel a calm ripple through your nervous system. Beginners, bend the knee more. Advanced switches, interlace hands behind the back and add a shoulder stretch. 5 more seconds. Can you surrender just a bit deeper? That just calmed your nervous system. Now let's bring in motion. Come up to standing, hands on hips. Start rotating the hips in a semicircle from right to back to left, then back the other way. This is controlled, almost like drawing a half moon with your pelvis. This is your reset button for hip rhythm. You're restoring flow between your spine and pelvis. I promise, you'll walk lighter and feel looser with just 60 seconds of this. Beginners, keep the movement small and slow. Advanced switches, add some bounce and feel into the corners of your range. Breathe deeper into each shift. Let's level it up with the full version. Now go all in. Smooth full hip circles. Trace the edges. Switch directions after 30 seconds. This isn't about mobility, it's mastery. You're teaching your body how to flow again. I promise this builds stability, improves control, and frees the joints most of us neglect. Beginners, keep your heels grounded. Advanced switches, add arms overhead to feel the cross-body connection. Can you make it bigger? Smooth it out even more. Hold that rhythm for 5 more seconds. That just rewired your entire base. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, all delivered daily to your email inbox. And the best part, it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.